Hey, good morning. It's October 23rd, 2025. This is that guy from Michigan coming to you. I appreciate everyone that continues to like, subscribe, and share the page. I love the comments, you know what I mean? Let's keep it moving, right? So yesterday, man, IWM, Russell 2000. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Overall market. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Listen, 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 listen. Do not be too short too quickly. After a big drop that we had yesterday, expect some buyers to come back into this market to try to buy up some of these dips. Do I think it's a long-term dip buying at these levels? I do not. That's just my thoughts. I do not. Let's dive in real fast, man. This is that channel that we drew yesterday. We can see that channel was going down. It was descending. What happened yesterday? They dropped into the box that we drew Sunday night, Monday open, right here. They bounced to this level. They tried to hold this level with this wick here. They could not. You got more sellers coming in. They finished the bottom of our box. We knew that they had to hold this box, right? They even tipped out of this box a little, right? They just drove price back up. Excuse me, drove price back up to our 50-hour box that we drew. And look, they're bouncing off of it, going where, guys? Where are they going? This is a 2-hour. Let's break it down to a 15 now. Where are they going? Where do we think they're going? It's my belief where they're going is to the top of our box again. They're trying to get out of this box that we drew, right? That's at 244.88. In the meantime, it's 926. They're making progress, and look at them. They're moving up right now. So expect them to try to buy this dip, right? So you clear this box, get back to this box, and then your next target is where? Your next target is going to be here at the 245.87, which is also our 618 fib. 618 fib. That is going to be a target. Sorry about that. I don't know why that just went off. I got all types of alarms, but that's the target. So remember, let them get to 245. Let them hold 245. Hold. It's important that they hold 245. Next challenge is 245.61 that they must hold, and then they can proceed to 245.80. Right. So what is our game plan? Let them show us what they want to do. I believe they're going to try to buy this. Here, I'm comfortable placing a call for a challenge to 245.01. Again, a quick 40%. I can see that happening. I can see that happening. Another thing that we have, they're trying to bounce off of what? Our 50-day moving average. That's fine, right? So we know that they're trying to get back above this level. They hold this 245.01. Expect them to challenge. Next challenge is going to be 245.50, 245.80. Now we're getting serious, right? That was where all that consolidation is from yesterday, before we actually broke and all the levies went away. All right. So expect 246 to really be a challenge area today. But I mean, what are we going to do? We're going to play our levels, right? If we make it up to this 246 area, that will be a short zone for me. That is where, you know what I mean, we broke down from yesterday, so on and so forth. So just like a breakout, and I've made a video about what how to determine if something's a breakout or a breakdown, so on and so forth. Please go watch it. Go watch it. If you want to know if this is a true breakdown for price action, go watch that video, and I think you're going to get all the answers, okay? So our goal is to what? Play our levels one level at a time. One level at a time. Let them show us that they can hold some certain levels. Again, what I'm doing here, I'm shorting here. I'm going to take the short here. Tomorrow, we have data coming out to us tomorrow. Do not be too long going into tomorrow. Let's get in 30%, 40%, 50%. Make our money. Let's get out for the day. Our goal is to make the money, not all the money. Remember that. Make the money, not all the money. So listen, hey, that's all I got to say on this, man. Let price show us what they want to do for the day. Another thing I like to say, if we start closing candles below our 50, the box we drew, 243.47, expect them to come back and retest here. And we already know if we lose this, where do we have to go, guys? We lose this, we are going to what? Our must hold. Here. That's where we're going. So just understand that. So we had a few taps at this 240 a few times yesterday. One tap, two tap. If we get a third tap, consider that a trap. So keep that in mind. Be nimble in your trades. You know what I mean? Don't rush anything. Be patient. Again, we expect them to buy this up. That's what they did. That's what they've been doing. We had such a big drop yesterday. Expect some buyers to start coming in. Now the question is, will these buyers be able to change anything? Market's open.